Python. It's a name that's synonymous with modern programming. But what is it exactly? In simple terms, Python is a language that allows you to communicate with computers. You give instructions, and the computer, following your Python commands, performs tasks. But Python isn't just any language. It's one of the most popular ones out there. Created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, Python was designed to be easy to understand and fun to use. And guess what? It succeeded! Python's user-friendly nature has made it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. From building websites to analyzing complex data, Python's versatility knows no bounds. So if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of programming, Python is the perfect place to start. Why is Python so popular, you ask? Well, imagine a programming language that's as easy to read as a book. That's Python. Its simple syntax, which closely resembles English, makes it incredibly beginner-friendly. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly powerful, capable of handling complex tasks with ease. That's why it's used by tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Netflix. What's more, Python boasts a vibrant and supportive community. Countless online resources, tutorials, and forums are readily available to guide you on your Python journey. So whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, Python has something for everyone. Python is packed with features that make it a joy to use. One of its most appealing aspects is its readability. Unlike some programming languages that look like cryptic puzzles, Python code is clean, concise, and easy on the eyes. This readability makes it a breeze to understand and debug your code, saving you precious time and frustration. Another great thing about Python is its versatility. It's like a Swiss Army knife of programming languages, capable of tackling a wide range of tasks. Want to build a website? Python can do that. Interested in data analysis? Python's got you covered. From web development to machine learning, Python's flexibility makes it a true all-rounder. Ready to get your hands dirty with some actual code? Let's start with a classic, the Hello World program. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. In Python, you can display the text Hello World on your screen with a single line of code. Print, Hello World. That's it. This simple line of code is your passport to the exciting world of Python programming. When you run this code, Python will faithfully execute your command and print Hello World on your screen. It's like magic, but it's really the power of code at your fingertips. Section 5. Deciphering the code line by line. Now let's break down that code snippet line by line. In Python is a built-in function. Think of functions as pre-written blocks of code that perform specific tasks. The function, as its name suggests, is responsible for displaying information on your screen. Inside the parentheses of the function, we have enclosed in quotation marks. In programming lingo, this is called a string. Strings are simply sequences of characters, like letters, numbers, or symbols treated as text. So when Python sees, it knows to display the text Hello World on your screen. Section 6. Beyond Hello World, exploring Python's potential. Congratulations! You've written your first Python program, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Python's capabilities extend far beyond printing simple messages. With Python, you can build interactive websites, develop powerful software applications, delve into the world of data analysis, and even explore the exciting realm of artificial intelligence. The possibilities are virtually limitless. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks provide you with the tools and resources you need to bring your coding ideas to life. Whether you're interested in web development, game development, or scientific computing, Python has something to offer everyone. Section 7. Learning Python, your gateway to exciting opportunities. In today's tech-driven world, programming skills are in high demand. Learning Python can open doors to a wide range of exciting career opportunities. From software engineering to data science, Python's versatility makes it a valuable asset in numerous industries. Moreover, Python's popularity ensures that there will always be a demand for skilled Python developers. By mastering Python, you're not just learning a programming language, you're investing in your future. So if you're looking to enhance your career prospects, learning Python is a wise investment. Section 8, Python in Action, from Web to Data Science. Let's take a closer look at some of the areas where Python truly shines. In web development, Python frameworks like Django and Flask make it a breeze to build dynamic and interactive websites. These frameworks provide a robust foundation for handling everything from user authentication to database management. Python's prowess in data science is equally impressive. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib empower data scientists to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data with ease. Python's machine learning libraries, such as scikit-learn and TensorFlow, have revolutionized the field, enabling developers to build intelligent systems that can learn from data. Section 9. Conclusion: Embark on your Python adventure. As you've discovered, Python is an incredibly versatile and beginner-friendly programming language with the power to turn your coding dreams into reality. Its simple syntax, vast community support, and wide range of applications make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to embark on a coding journey. Whether you're interested in building websites, analyzing data, or exploring the frontiers of artificial intelligence, Python has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Python programming today and unlock a universe of possibilities.